As dawn paints the sky, skyscrapers gleam, reflecting the nascent light across the awakening city. Cars whisper through the streets, sleek and silent, their movements precise and purposeful. Pedestrians march onward, their paths intersecting, eyes meeting in fleeting, wordless acknowledgement. A low hum vibrates through the air, a silent language binding the city's inhabitants as the narration echoes. Silence speaks louder. Beneath the harsh glare of the debate stage lights, two politicians posture, their smiles tight, their eyes betraying ambition. Faint visual ripples distort the air around them, whispers of unspoken intentions swirling like smoke. A subtle dance of deception plays out, unseen by the common eye, yet palpable in the electrified atmosphere. The end of lies looms large, a telepathic society poised to unveil every hidden thought and shadowed motive. On-screen text blazes with stark prophecy. When minds are open, truth is inescapable. Sunlight floods the cafe, illuminating the delicate dance of dust motes in the air. Sarah's laughter rings out, bright and clear, yet a fleeting shadow of sadness crosses her face. Liam pauses, his stirring spoon still, a subtle narrowing of his eyes betraying his concern. Chloe leans forward, her expression softening with unspoken empathy. Mark, ever watchful, absorbs the subtle exchange, a wave of understanding washing over him as the cheerful facade falters. In the soft light of home, a mother gently cradles her child, a tender tableau of love and protection. A silent exchange of memories and warmth flows between them, thoughts swirling in a dance of deep connection. An intimate, loving atmosphere envelops them, illustrating the profound empathy of their bond. In this telepathic world, love is redefined, a pure, unspoken language shared between mother and child. Sunlight dapples through the leaves as two lovers share a park bench, enveloped in comfortable silence. A gentle breeze whispers through the trees, carrying unspoken emotions between them. Glowing patterns weave and dance, illustrating the symphony of shared thoughts and vulnerabilities. They experience each other's innermost joys and deepest fears without uttering a single word. Their connection transcends language, a profound understanding blossoming in the serene park. On-screen text appears, a poignant declaration, love beyond language. A torrent of faces blurs in the crowded street, each one lost in their own world, yet crushed together. The air crackles with unspoken thoughts, an invisible storm of mental noise overwhelming the senses. People struggle forward, their expressions strained as they battle the constant influx of information. Privacy dissolves in the chaos, minds exposed and vulnerable in the relentless crowd. Each step is a fight for mental space, a desperate attempt to maintain individuality in a world without boundaries. Under the harsh hum of fluorescent lights, rows of figures sit motionless, their eyes sealed shut in intense concentration. Each person attempts to conjure a shimmering mental barrier, a fragile dome of tranquility against the encroaching noise. A few find fleeting solace as the cacophony of the office fades, their expressions softening in momentary peace. Others struggle, their faces contorted in frustration as the thoughts and anxieties of others batter against their weakening defenses. A palpable sense of strain permeates the air, thick with the unspoken battle for inner quiet. The human spirit strains, a silent, desperate fight to reclaim the sanctuary of silence within the chaotic office. Sunlight floods the meditation center, illuminating the serene faces of 20 souls seeking solace. Dust motes dance in the golden air, each a tiny universe of calm. The guru, a beacon of tranquility, guides his followers with gentle gestures and a soothing voice. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing in the sky, he intones, his words a gentle invitation to detachment. Observe them, but do not cling to them, let them drift away. A collective hum of energy fills the room, a shared quest for inner peace as the guru continues. Filter the noise, focus on the present moment, find the stillness within. The cityscape unfolds under the cloak of night, its myriad lights resembling a sprawling constellation. An ethereal glow begins to emanate from the people below, their forms subtly outlined with psychic energy, a testament to their harmonizing minds. Their collective consciousness creates a symphony of thought, visible to the naked eye, painting the air with vibrant, unseen colors. Buildings rise with gentle curves and open spaces, designed to promote mental well-being, their calming aesthetics replacing harsh angles. A pervasive sense of peace washes over the city, fostered by its harmonious design and the unified minds of its inhabitants. The city stands as a living testament to the power of collective consciousness, a society evolving towards harmony under the watchful stars. In a quiet classroom, children sit with eyes closed, their faces etched with intense concentration. Guided by their teacher, they delve into the practice of telepathy, a silent exchange of thoughts filling the air. Faces light up, each a beacon of understanding as they successfully share emotions and ideas. A palpable mental energy buzzes through the room, fostering empathy and respect as they navigate the boundaries of each other's minds. The sterile hospital room hums, its bright light reflecting off the pristine white coats of the doctors. Doctors gather, their brows furrowed not in observation, but in the intense concentration of unspoken communication. The air crackles with the unseen energy of telepathic diagnosis as doctors delve into the depths of their patients' minds. A gentle touch, a conduit for understanding, bridges the gap between doctor and patient. Compassion deepens into connection, promising a new era of effective and empathetic healthcare. Bathed in sunlight, a lone child rests in a vibrant field of wildflowers, her face serene and untouched. Innocent eyes flutter open, wide with a newborn awareness, as if seeing the world for the first time. A silent thought ignites within her, an unspoken word understood by all, transcending language and culture. Across the globe, faces light up with sudden comprehension, mirroring the child's epiphany. A wave of unity washes over humanity as the next evolution begins within, binding hearts and minds together.